Bozu, hello and welcome to our school. This is Friendship Secondary School, Borivali, located in Kurigram district in northern Bangladesh. There are 71 students in our school. My name is Iza Shobuz Ahmed. I am studying in class 9. Let's meet my friends.
I am Murshida Akhtar. I study in class 9. I am Shamini Akhtar. I read in class 9.
My name is Murshida Khatun. I read in class 8.
I am Sharmin. I study in class 9.
This is Shahnaz Akhtar, grade 8. My name is Shumaya Akhtar. I am in class 6.
My name is Nazmul Islam Nam. I study class 6. I am Ataur. I am in class 7.
My name is Alimul Islam. I study class 7. This is Russell. I study in grade 8. My name is Farooq Ahmed. I am a student of class 8. My name is Mehdi Hassan. I study in class 9. My name is Shakul Ahmed. I study in class 9. My name is Abu Musa. I am studying class 8.
Hi, Bozu. Now we are going to introduce our school. The school name is Friendship Secondary School, Sorvolleyball. Consists of 5 classrooms and office room, a library, and a playground. There are approximately 71 students and 3 teachers in our school.
The library offers various types of books, including storybooks, which students can collect and read.
There is a small garden featuring flowers and vegetables. The student take pride in painting, especially in winter when the flowers bloom. There is a playground during tiffin hours. Student games like cricket, volleyball, and football. Traditional games like danguli and kanausi are also mentioned as popular among the girls. Now we are going to introduce our village and community. Our village, Baraibari, is located in Kurigram district.
About 200 people are living in our village, most of whom are farmers. They are growing rice, vegetables, and other crops from down until ducks. Hi Buju, the Dharla river flows near the village. The river isn't only for fishing but also causes significant damage through erosion and flooding, which can destroy house and farmland.
We are super excited to meet you and learn more about your school, your life, and your activities at your river. Bye.
Bye.